Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video today. We're going to be opening 2 of these NBA Hoops blaster boxes, hopefully trying to pull a Zion. If you guys enjoy the videos, please like and subscribe. With all that said, let's just get into it. So each of these has 8 packs per box with 4 cards each. So we're going to have 18 total and hopefully get some nice hits. These last ones here. There we go. Nice stack. All right, let's see what the first pack has for us. It's a nice start there, a second-year Luka. Him off to the side. Kelly Oubre, who I believe is on the Warriors now, doing pretty well. Rookie Nicholas Claxton. And our silver is Blake Griffin. It's not a bad first pack there. And for the second pack, starting off with Montrezl Harrell, Jeff Green, Jackson Hayes is our rookie, and backstage pass Kawhi Leonard. That's a pretty cool looking card there. From off this side, onto the third pack. Hopefully we can get a Zion or Ja in one of these 16 packs. I'd say our chance is pretty good, but you never really know with these. All right, starting off, Zach LaVine, Jonathan Isaac, Darius Baisley's our rookie, and our laser prism is Paul Millsap. Not the best player, but a cool looking card nonetheless. Alrighty. I think this is pack number 4, starting off with Chris Paul, Norman Powell, Luguentz Dort. Don't know too much about him, but that's our rookie of the pack. And we have a green parallel Kevin Durant. Not a bad card there. Gonna try to go through this pretty fast because we have 16 packs. I don't want to take too much of your time. Leading off, we have Gordon Hayward. Cool action shot there. Next, Seth Curry. Not doing too bad this year. Damian Lillard. And our silver is a Naz Reid rookie. Not bad. Cool card there. He's actually doing pretty well this year. And I think he was undrafted, actually. On to the next. Starting off with MPJ, Michael Porter Jr. Second, nice Giannis. Terrence Davis is our rookie of the pack. And next, Joel Embiid, Zero Gravity. That's a cool insert there. All right, I believe this is the second to last pack of the first blaster. Start off with PJ Tucker. And then second card, we have Lauri Markkanen. Probably butchered that. Ben Simmons. And I think this is a 5-card pack. Dylan Windler is the rookie card. Cool action shot. And our laser is Jabari Parker. I believe this is the last pack of our first blaster. So hopefully we can get a big hit. If not, we still have another full blaster to go through, so no worries. Starting it off, Spencer Dinwiddie, Mike Conley. The rookie should be, oh no, Malik Monk. And then we have Jonathan Isaac as our green. All right, on to, I believe, the 9th pack and the first pack of the second blaster. We have Gary Harris, Lonzo Ball, Rookie is Daniel Gafford. And our laser prism is Danny Green. All right, I believe it's the second pack of the blaster. Start off with Maxi Kleber, CJ McCollum. Who do we have? Tribute, Dirk Nowitzki. And a red parallel is Maxi Kleber again. All right, third pack of the blaster now. Larry Nance Jr. to start it off. Jeremy Grant. Next, nice Cam Reddish rookie card. And our last is a silver Harry Giles III. Alrighty, started off with SGA. Kawhi Leonard. Darius Garland is our third card, and our insert is another Darius Garland. We got next. All right, I think we have 4 packs left. And leading off, Biyombo on the Hornets. Second card is Jahlil Okafor. Then third is Goga. And our laser is Courtney Lee. And third to last pack now. Started off with Kevin Looney on the Warriors. Nurkic of the Trailblazers. Next, there we go. We have a Ja Morant action shot rookie card. That's one of the top 2 guys we're looking for. Put him off. And our green is Justice Winslow. All right, so we're not getting shut out in the blasters. Second to last pack here. If we can get a Zion and a Ja, that would be ideal, but we got our hit, so no complaining now. Leading off, Jaylen Brown. We have Malcolm Brogdon. Next we have Rui Hachimura, Tribute. Nice rookie card there. And our last is Denzel Valentine. And our last pack. Start off Malik Beasley. Second card, Jimmy Butler. Next, our rookie is Cody Martin. And our last card of the video is Steven Adams, Thunder. Nice insert there. Cool card. Quick little recap. Just our probably top 3, we'll say 4 cards of the break. This Kawhi Leonard backstage pass insert's pretty sick. And then we had our Cam Reddish. Then Rui Tribute. And probably my favorite is the Ja Morant action shot rookie card. So I appreciate you guys all watching. Please like and subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming. And as always, thank you for watching.